AWS Snow Family. AWS Snow Family. 1. Physical devices. AWS Snow Family consists of physical computing, storage, and data transfer devices. 2. Data transfer solution. It is designed to move large amounts of data into and out of AWS. 3. Includes Snowcone, Snowball, and Snowmobile. The family comprises different devices like Snowcone for small-size tasks, Snowball for medium tasks, and Snowmobile for large-scale tasks. When to use AWS Snow Family. 1. Large-scale data transfers, ideal for moving terabytes to petabytes of data, when online transfer is not feasible. 2. Limited network bandwidth, best suited for situations where you don't have sufficient network capacity for data transfer. 3. Secure data migration, for scenarios requiring secure, tamper-evident data migration. 4. Remote or harsh environments, useful for data collection and processing in places with limited or no connectivity. 5. Data center migration, efficient for relocating or decommissioning data centers. Introduction to AWS Snowcone. 1. Smallest member of AWS Snow Family, Snowcone is the most compact and portable device in the AWS Snow Family lineup. 2. Portable and rugged, designed to withstand harsh conditions, it's portable and can be carried in a backpack. 3. Local storage and computing, offers local data storage and edge computing capabilities. 4. Supports AWS IoT Greengrass, can run edge computing workloads and supports AWS IoT Greengrass for IoT applications. 5. Secure data transfer, employs strong encryption and other security features for secure data transfer and storage. Introduction to AWS Snowball. 1. Mid-range data transfer device, Snowball is designed for medium-scale operations, fitting between Snowcone and Snowmobile in the AWS Snow Family. 2. Rugged and tamper-evident, the device is rugged and has a tamper-evident enclosure for added security. 3. On-board computing capabilities, beyond data transfer, Snowball also offers basic edge computing functionalities. 4. 50 terabytes or 80 terabyte storage options, you can choose between two main storage capacities based on your needs. 5. Supports S3 data transfer, Snowball is optimized for transferring data to and from Amazon S3. Introduction to AWS Snowmobile. 1. Exabyte scale data transfer, Snowmobile is designed for transferring extremely large amounts of data, up to exabytes. 2. Semi-truck solution, unlike Snowball and Snowcone, Snowmobile is a semi-truck loaded with storage. 3. Secure and tamper-resistant, it offers a very secure and tamper-resistant method for data transfer. 4. Data center migrations, this is the optimal choice for large-scale data center migrations or disaster recovery. 5. High-speed network connection, the Snowmobile is equipped with high-speed network connections for rapid data transfer. Let's talk about the feature comparison matrix for AWS Snow Family devices. We will go through 5 types of devices, namely AWS Snowcone, AWS Snowball Edge Storage Optimized 80 TB, AWS Snowball Edge Storage Optimized 210 TB, AWS Snowball Edge Compute Optimized, and AWS Snowmobile. Firstly, the usable HDD storage. For AWS Snowcone, it's 8 TB. For the 80 TB Snowball Edge Storage Optimized, it's 80 TB of HDD. For the 210 TB Snowball Edge Storage Optimized, there's no applicable HDD storage. Similarly, for Snowball Edge Compute Optimized, it's also not applicable. Finally, for Snowmobile, it's a massive 100 petabytes. Next, let's discuss usable SSD storage. Snowcone offers 14 terabytes. The 80 TB Snowball Edge Storage Optimized offers 1 terabyte. The 210 terabytes variant offers 210 terabytes of storage. The Compute Optimized version offers 28 terabytes. Snowmobile does not have SSD storage. Moving on to usable vCPUs, Snowcone has 2 vCPUs. The 80 TB Snowball Edge Storage Optimized has 40 vCPUs. The 210 terabytes version and the Compute Optimized version both have 104 vCPUs. Snowmobile doesn't offer any vCPUs. Next, usable memory. For Snowcone, it's 4 GB. For both the 80 TB and 210 TB Snowball Edge Storage Optimized, it's 80 GB and 416 GB, respectively. The Compute Optimized also has 416 GB. Snowmobile has no applicable memory. Let's talk about device size. Snowcone has a compact form factor of 9 inches by 6 inches by 3 inches. All the Snowball Edge storage optimized devices and the compute optimized have dimensions of 548 mm by 320 mm by 501 mm. Snowmobile comes in a 45-foot shipping container. As for the device weight, Snowcone weighs 4.5 pounds. All the Snowball Edge storage optimized and compute optimized devices weigh 49.7 pounds. Snowmobile's weight is not applicable. Next, storage clustering. This feature is only available in Snowball Edge Compute Optimized, with a range from 3 to 16 nodes. All other devices do not support this feature. Finally, for security, all the devices offer 256-bit encryption. Regarding HIPAA compliance, only Snowcone is not eligible, while all the other devices are HIPAA compliant. How to use AWS Snow Family devices. 1. Identify data transfer needs. Determine the volume of data and the type of data you need to transfer. 2. Select suitable device. Based on your requirements, select the appropriate Snow Family device. 3. Place order via AWS Console. Use the AWS Management Console to order the device. 4. Prepare data for transfer. Before the device arrives, organize the data you wish to transfer. 5. Receive and connect device. Upon receiving the device, follow the setup instructions to connect it to your network. 6. Transfer data to device. Use the AWS Snow Family client or compatible software to securely transfer data to the device. 7. Ship device back. Once the data transfer is complete, securely package the device and send it back to AWS. 8. Data ingested into AWS. After AWS receives the device, your data is ingested into the designated AWS services. Key terminologies of AWS Snow Family. 1. Snowball Client. Software interface used to interact with Snow Family devices for data transfer tasks. 2. Job, a specific data transfer task defined and set up through the AWS Management Console. 3. Unlock code, a security code used to authenticate and access the Snow Family device once it arrives. 4. Data transfer nodes, these are the physical Snow Family devices that serve as the medium for data transfer. 5. Edge computing, the ability to perform computing tasks closer to the data source, as supported by some Snow Family devices. 6. Manifest file, a file that contains metadata about the data being transferred, used for validation. 7. E-ink shipping label, the dynamic shipping label on Snow Family devices for easy shipping and tracking. Numbers, hard limits, soft limits, and quotas of AWS Snow Family. 1. Storage capacity limits. Snowcone, up to 8 terabytes. Snowball Edge Storage Optimized 80 terabytes is 80 terabytes. Snowball Edge Storage Optimized 210 terabytes is 210 terabytes. Snowball Edge Compute Optimized, 42 terabytes. Snowmobile, up to 100 petabytes. 2. Transfer speed limits. Snowcone, USB 3.1 up to 10 gigabits per second. Snowball Edge, up to 40 gigabits per second network speed. Snowmobile, multiple 100 gigabits per second connections. 3. Job duration limits. Most Snow Family jobs, 90 days max, include shipping time. 4. Max concurrent jobs. Depends on the AWS region and device type, typically 1 to 5 jobs per AWS account. API request rate. 5. General Snow Family API, up to 10 requests per second. Let's discuss the cost and pricing of the AWS Snow Family. First, the device rental fee. For Snowcone, it starts at $60 for the initial 10 days. Snowball's rental begins at $200 for the same duration. Snowmobile, on the other hand, has custom pricing. Moving on to data transfer costs. Transferring data into AWS is typically free. However, egressing data from AWS can vary. For instance, you might be charged 3 cents per gigabyte. Next, the shipping fees. These can differ based on your location and the speed of shipping you choose. Regarding additional day charges. If you keep the Snowcone beyond the initial 10 days, it'll cost you an extra $6 per day. For Snowball, it's $20 per day after the first 10 days. Lastly, in case of a lost device, Snowcone will set you back $2,000. Snowball is priced at $5,000. And once again, Snowmobile has custom pricing. Best practices of AWS Snow Family. 1. Pre-assessment. Conduct a thorough assessment of your data and requirements before selecting a Snow Family device. 2. Data encryption. Always enable encryption for enhanced security during data transfer. 3. Version control. Maintain version control of your data to track changes effectively. 4. Monitoring and logging. Utilize AWS CloudWatch or other monitoring tools to keep track of the transfer process. 5. Device handling. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for proper device handling to avoid damages. 6. Network configuration. Ensure your network is configured to accommodate the Snow family devices requirements. 7. Data validation. Use manifest files and checksums to validate data integrity before and after the transfer. 8. Test before shipping. Before sending the device back, perform a final test to ensure all data has been correctly transferred. Settings available when creating AWS Snow family jobs. 1. Job type. Choose between import into S3, export from S3, or local data transfer. 2. AWS region. Select the AWS region where your data will be transferred to or from. 3. Resource tags. Add metadata tags to your Snow family job for easier identification and tracking. 4. Job name. Specify a unique name for the job for reference. 5. Data transfer mode. Decide whether to enable streaming or direct copy for data transfer. 6. Shipping details. Enter your shipping address and preferred shipping carrier. 7. Data encryption. Configure encryption settings using AWS Key Management Service, KMS, or a custom method. 8. Notification settings. Set up Amazon SNS notifications for job status updates. Thanks for watching.